Ken, what's the biggest challenge of operating a full service laundry like yours, or challenges? How have you chosen to meet them?
Biggest challenge. I'm not going to jump on the bandwagon of people. So first, I just want to say what it's not. I mean, if you're operating a small business, yes, it's difficult to manage a staff, but I think you have to change your mindset in that we don't have attendants in our full service laundry anymore. We actually call them laundry technicians. Because they don't just attend to people's needs; they're actually production workers. So that's a huge thing. And the larger we've gotten, the more I've had to focus on leadership, on developing people, on creating team, on creating a good environment where people want to work. So that's, I mean, I guess that can be a challenge if you look at it, but
Hmm.
I don't want to sit here and say that I'm going to complain about not finding staff members because you can definitely do it and do it well. Um, I'd say that the one that kind of crept up on me that I didn't see was daily or cyclical variation in volume. So, we do a bunch of wedding venues and Airbnbs in the summers. It boosts our volume quite a bit because it's vacation season. But one of the challenges can be that now you've got to staff up for that for a period of time. And say come September, October, that business might drop off because those two, seasonal businesses are kind of over. And that trickles out through the holiday for us. And come January and February and March, there's more staff than we need usually until it ramps back up again, starting maybe in April and May. So
Okay, very good.